This gentleman just telling me that during the war, a lot of the VC used to come on.
Yeah, during the war, I go on very narrow, only one way.
Yep.
Not two way.
Yep.
But every night from mountain come down, the road
Yep.
for dig the hole and bury the landmine.
Landmine. Yep.
And someday, some car or some truck go and blow up. But someday, American or some army started working along the way for cleaning, pick
Yes.
up,
Pick up the bombs.
pick
Yep.
up the bomb or landmine,
Sure.
But even, even stop the war, when ended the war,
Yes.
a lot bomb landmine still lie everywhere in my country.
Yes.
We are the farmer country, but we do nothing after that because the bomb landmine still,
Bombs, yes, yes.
blow up everywhere.
Very dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous. And when, Vietnam relationship with U.S. government, and U.S. government send the, Mach minor advisory group
Yep.
come over everywhere Vietnam to clean and
Yep.
come over village on the mountain teaching for many children or many people.
Yep.
When you saw the bomb landmine, don't take it because too dangerous. Come to me.
Yes.
Now
Does that still happen now?
not anymore.
Not anymore. Okay.
Because people scared, they know about that. Yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Before illegal, when Vietnam very poor, and they want up mountain, want to find out everything, steel or silver for selling to get money.
Sure.
But nowadays they care because
Not
many
touch.
family killed and died by
Yep,
bomb
yep.
or landmine blow up.
Yep.
Now they.
But the mines were both American and Indian.
Now it's getting better now. Yeah.
Yep.